And are you working now? Where at?
Like for myself, self-employed,
What do you do?
construction basically.
What kind?
Everything basically except driveways.
Okay. All right, we've got a speeding ticket from 2019, a registration plate charge from 2022, a no proof of insurance from 2022, $1,200 worth of tickets you've never done anything on. Why not?
Here,
Here.
I was told that's all I had. The driving suspended.
You were told by who?
The judge that I saw for because they put me on diversion.
Okay.
They said you have to take care of these 2 tickets, and that was these 2. I did not.
Okay. Well, they might have been talking about misdemeanors.
Oh,
Yeah.
With a civil infraction, if you report, if you on default,
oh,
if it's a misdemeanor, you get a warrant. If it's a civil infraction, they just assume your guilt.
oh. Well, I have to take care of all of them now, no matter.
Are you in a position to do that?
Right this second, but I can do it within the next 2 weeks.
All right. So those tickets are $1,281. You can take care of that in 2 weeks?
Yes.
Okay. So by the 9th? All right, that takes care of that pile of money. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you on today's files? All right, normally on these charges, I would assess fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program, but given the fact that we had you for a while on some other files with jail, I'm going to waive that. You're welcome. All right, unfortunately, because these files are so old and we haven't seen you, you've racked up some late fees and penalties. So on each of these files, fines and costs is $650. I'm going to let you set up some kind of payment plan or payment arrangements downstairs today. So before you get out of here, have a paper plan on how we're going to get our money on those. All right, whether or not that's a due date, you're going to pay it all, or if you're going to do it over payments, however you do it.
Yeah, I didn't want to make payments on it.
Yeah, yep. But before you get out of here, I need that on paper.
Okay.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aaron.
You're welcome. Aaron, is it Franchuk? How do you say it?
Franchuk.
Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. A piece of sound from the floor. On behalf of Defendant, Aaron Franchuk, you stand to my right. Please state your name for the record.
My name is Eric Stephen Franklin.
Good morning, gentlemen. Tell me about the plea.
Yes, Your Honor. For the purpose of arraignment, I'd like to waive the formal reading to stand mute.
Done.
I did have an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor for about purposes. We reached an agreement in this matter, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
To dismiss the original 2 counts. It's going to be in section of civil practice. My client would plead responsible for the double parking.
I see that, and he's agreed to pay fines and costs of $400.
Yes.
All right, I'll do it on the civil infraction, Heather. And can you pay the $400 today?
I can pay next week.
We do 14 days, Your Honor. If that's
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, both original charges are dismissed.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Hold on, what do we got all here? Except for, all right, you've got something coming up for review on January 5. Oh, offer sent to attorney on 12/9, must respond by 12/17. Have you handled some civil fractions for us?
Civil fraction.
Yeah, that one I just talked about was a speeding 21 over. And then we got another one. Failed to signal observe, review set for 12/18/25, still in pending status. Yeah, you might want to check those downstairs so we don't miss a deadline.
Absolutely.
All right, have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank you.
You as well.
Thank you.
What's this pile up here?
Old scratch.
Yaman El Ahmad?
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
behalf of Mr. L. Say your name for the court.
John Lawson.
So
You just need a new date?
Yes.
Okay,
the arraignment, he stand mute when he reading out the information.
all right. You working? Go ahead.
He is requesting a court appointed attorney to retrial.
Okay, all right. You're working? Where at?
Lowe's.
How long you been at Lowe's? Heather, can we do a pretrial 212?
Yes, Judge Martin. Is his last name ELHMAD?
Yep. What time,
Fine to me, or we get different?
No, it's signs deal.
Okay.
who, or what time we doing that?
212 is gonna be 9:30.
And you said that's Judge Martin?
Correct.
All right. Sir, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First condition and second condition, both are kind of obvious. Stay out of trouble and show up for your court date. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That means marijuana and alcohol are off the table. Understood? Can you abide by those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions? You're all set. Just wait a minute. We'll get your paper notice. Haley, is it Matthew? Did I pronounce it right? Counsel?
Morning, Judge Deanne Patillo, 82378, on behalf of Ms. Matthews. State your name. Hazel Matthews. So you're not asking your name, fans, and you anyway, reading. I have opportunity to discuss this matter with the prosecutor. There is an agreement to dismiss the original charge of operating while intoxicated, and Ms. Matthews would plead to operating while physically impaired.
Thank you. Ms. Matthew, did you discuss with counsel your rights and options? You understand all those? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Counsel, if you would voir dire, I've got an incident date of October 9 this year.
Ms. Matthews, state your name for the court again one more time. And were you in the city of Van Buren Township on October 9th? Were you driving a motor vehicle? Prior to driving that motor vehicle, have you consumed alcohol? And do you believe that alcohol impaired your ability to satisfy?
I'm satisfied too. I'll dismiss the original charge. All right, Ms. Matthew, next step is I'm going to send you downstairs to the front counter. Probation is going to schedule for you to come back for an interview and a sentencing date. All right. I'll also put you on a personal bond in the meantime. Did you hear me do terms on the last one? First one is stay out of trouble. Second one is show up for your court date. Third one is, all right, raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? Any questions for counsel before I let you go downstairs? You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What was the name on that one I just handed you?
Yeah.
Feldkamp. Stay where you're at. We're just gonna get you an adjourned notice date or adjourned date notice. So we'll take care of that. You're welcome. Front row, you're all together? All right, back row. All right. I'm gonna put you one of my envelopes.
Okay, one thing that happened, thank you.
Get it, Judge. Yes.
I didn't know.
Robert.
Yeah.
Say that again. It's not good. Everyone.
So needless to say, I'm not getting it all.
Okay.
In about 70. If I'm changed. Mr. Okay. You know how to use Zoom? Yes. All right, and the next thing's gonna be on Zoom. That is Zoom ID number right there. Right on Judge Martin. It is Thursday, February 12th, at 9:20. You don't need to come here, just jump on Zoom, you'd be awesome. You guys have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Hold on.
Yes.
I'm figuring on that.
No.
It's not it. What was that?
May I ask?
Our meeting done? There's nobody in the hallway.
You're lying. That's Joe.
Nobody out there for us. I think that's.
Wow.
Well, I think it was because of the ordinance, so I did a chunk,
Hmm.
so I think that. Plus, we had quite a few no-shows that had several tickets, so that also helps. But let me check.
Thank you, thank you. Are you serious?
Uh-huh. Did you not like the Christmas present I got your mother? Or you think-
I love it. Thank you.
I know, I feel bad. I